button. So that's how you enable the vehicle to be in advanced park. And it's like the beginning of the vehicle parking itself, right? So on the left side of the screen, you have an aerial view of us. It's utilizing 4 panoramic view cameras to stitch that together. On the right side of the screen, this is future us over here, and this is us right now. So future us is kind of in a sheer NX, and it's not to scale because we're small, but that's us situated in the spot where it's designated the dimensions are adequate for us to park. And it's also giving you another option too. If you click the P with the arrows around it, it's letting you know, hey, I actually fit here perpendicular to this NX, so I fit here traditionally parked. So if you would have chosen traditional parking, like these vehicles in front of us are traditionally parked, you could have told the vehicle to pull you into the spot in reverse or nose in, and you would have done that with that lower left arrow. If you click that lower left icon, the black one. The graphic will go nose in, and if you click on it one more time, it'll go reverse in. So that's how you would choose between the two. But we're going to parallel park, so you can hit that P.
Start.
So before you hit start, I just want to let you know that after we begin and it tells you to take your foot off the brake, I want you to hover your foot over the brake. And so otherwise you won't touch the steering wheel or the brake or the accelerator the entire time, but please do hover, and should I tell you to brake, please do, okay?
Okay.
So your foot's on the brake and you're going to hit the start icon, and then you're going to release the brake now. So the vehicle will automatically steer for you, change gears for you, accelerate and brake for you, and it's utilizing 12 ultrasonic sensors to enable it to park. So the 12 ultrasonic sensors are going to be testing the dimensions and objects in our area too. And it's very hands-off. If you're following along on the screen, you can always tell what the vehicle's intending on doing, which is great. It takes away a certain layer of uncertainty for someone who may be doing this for the first time. Okay, so advanced park is now finished. So it's put itself